friends, I am back and I am going to show you how I do my key lime bars. These are good. Anyway, we've got 6 tablespoons. We're going to start out with 6 tablespoons of butter. And you know what? I'm going to put that in after the flour. Okay? I'm going to do 1.5 cups of flour. There's 1. And 1/2 cups of flour. Okay, leave that set there. And we're going to do 3 tablespoons of sugar. These are real nice. These turn out pretty good. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'll put the butter in on top of that. And you want not 6 tablespoons, it's 9 tablespoons. So you want a stick plus 1 tablespoon. 1/2 cup plus 1 tablespoon. Okay, and now with salt, we're going to do about 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt. And of course, I never measure anything. I just throw it in. Alright. And we are going to put 2 egg yolks in here. Now you can certainly mix this up by hand. Doesn't matter. I'm doing it this way. And 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. There's 1/2. And there's 1/4 of vanilla. Put that up in my cup. Alright, now I'm going to put my lid on here and we are just going to mix this up. Pulse it. We want that nice, it's almost like a nice butter crust. It's gorgeous. Just leave it go for a little bit and it'll turn out beautiful. See it? How it's getting real crumbly, and then we're going to pack that down into our pan. Yep, that looks pretty good. See how that does? It packs. Alright. Now we've got our nice dish here. Be careful of that thing. Boy, that's sharp, that blade. Okay, now my hands are clean, so we're just going, oh, you can't see it. There we go. I dumped it in there. We're just going to very nicely, see how that packs in there? We're just going to pack it all in there. Nice and tight. And you don't have to go up the sides, just the bottom. Yep, just the bottom. Get this all packed in here. Okay, now this, we are going, oh, I didn't set my oven. You got to set your oven to 350. Okay. I was hoping that I could do this all in one shot, but I'm going to have to shut the camera off and let my oven preheat because I forgot to turn it on. So, okay, that's all packed down in there. We're just going to leave it just like that. When the oven reaches temp, we're going to bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then when we take it out, I'll be back and I'll show you how we finish it up. So we'll be right back. Friends, I got the crust in the oven, and I'm going to show you how I do my filling. So, first thing first, I'm going to need more sugar. Oh, Lord, do I have any in here? Nope. I'll be right back. I'm sorry. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is do 2 1/4 cups of sugar. So there's 1. I got 2 full. Two. That seems like an awful lot of sugar. Use this one right here. And 1/4 cups. Okay. Put that back. Okay, and then we're going to do 1/3 cup of flour. Okay, kind of mix that together a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to do 6 egg whites. All right, and our juice. And I better put that in now. So I'm going to do 6 tablespoons of lime juice. Let's see. Okay. Which would be and then I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And this is how you can substitute for key lime juice. Gives it a fantastic flavor. Okay. Now we're going to mix this up. It's this simple, friends. Absolutely simple. And that lime juice and that lemon juice mixed together, you can substitute that. Usually it's equal parts. If you want key lime juice, you can substitute, like, say, 1/4 cup of lemon juice and 1/4 cup of regular lime juice, and you've got key lime. And it is fantastic. Just mix that up real nice. Okay, and we got a few minutes yet for our pie shell that we got baking in there. And when that's done, I'll be back, we'll fill it, and I'll show you our next step. Okay, friends, I'm pulling this out of the oven. And that is screaming hot. Okay. Now I'm going to mix this up a little bit. Again, give it a good mixing. Sorry, my camera died. Okay. We'll try this again. This just came out of the oven a couple minutes ago. And what we're going to do is we're going to pour this all over the top of it. And it's hot. And that's okay. It doesn't hurt nothing. That's what you want. Okay, so we got that all on there. Now this, horribly hot, is going to go back in the oven for 20 minutes. And then when it's all done, I'll be back and I'll show you how it looks. Okay. We'll get this in here and I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, friends, our key lime bars are done. They're out of the oven. They baked for about 20 minutes. Just look at how beautiful and brown those turned out. They've been cooling for about 10 minutes now, and I'm going to let them continue to cool till they're completely cool. And then all I'm going to do is sprinkle them, dust them with a little bit of powdered sugar, slice them into bars, and serve them. And it's that simple. And just remember, when you make this recipe, you don't have to have any fancy key lime juice. You can substitute equal parts of lime juice and lemon juice and have key lime bars. There you are, friends. Thanks for watching.